Happy Valentine's Day! So I don't know when I'm actually going to post this video, but today is actually Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to all of you friends. And this is my Valentine's Day present, I guess, that showed up today. It wasn't meant to show up today, but it's my Furls crochet hook that I had ordered. It's the Capricorn one that came. Alright guys, I'm going to try to get it to focus here, but this is the hook. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited. Again, I got the G hook. It's a 4mm. There's a nice little splat right there of that gold color, the gold sparkles. I am so in love. So I'm going to take this off. Again, sorry, I haven't gotten ready yet today. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that this one came not broken, that the shipping people handled it a little bit better. But let me show you. It's actually this project right here. I'm just going to grab it. I was working on it first thing this morning. So again, right now I'm using the Furls metal hook. And as much as I love it, it's a great hook. It's a little heavy, and so I was actually really looking forward to using this on this project, and it works so great. You guys, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. And I love how beautiful and colorful these hooks are. Honestly, I love these. What ones are they? The Zodiac line. I just love the resin hooks in general because they are really, really light. We're gonna go ahead and go back to my yarn corner really fast and get out of the living room. Sorry, I'm still trying to figure out the lighting here and like my little yarn corner because the lighting in the living room is so much better. But yeah, we are trying to stick to filming in my little yarn corner. However, I absolutely love this hook. It's so much lighter than the metal one. There's a huge difference in the weight of the two, honestly. And I will go over all that in another video, but I'm really happy because I only have one hook in each like size. I still needed a 5mm hook, but I have a 4mm. I've got a 5.5mm. I have a 6mm. And then an 8mm, I think. So, but so far I absolutely love the Furls hook. I love that these ones are so lightweight, and yeah, that's kind of what I have for you guys today. I'm really, really stoked. Like I said, the lighting's not that great in here, so but yeah, absolutely love it. Thanks for coming in, you guys, today, and I will see you guys all next time, or if I throw in another clip at the bottom of this, I don't know, but make sure to check out my other videos. I do have lots of those, and yes, I will see you all when I post a new video.